Hello, guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a two stars Sudoku. Two stars Sudoku in additional, not in today's newspaper. Actually, today we have no newspaper. It's the second Christmas day, Boxing Day. Yes, no newspaper. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition, Friday, December the 22nd, 23. I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku, so two puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku and the two stars Sudoku. Yeah, two stars Sudoku. Number 7, 6. Before I start, I always count the printed digits a lot. This one, 29. Cannot be at two stars because the two stars puzzle has usually it has 26 printed digits, so 3 digits more. It's indicated with two stars, so for two stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Otherwise it will be a 0 star. 0 stars a puzzle I need to be faster and 40, maybe 30 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 0 stars or a 2 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? Yeah. 8 and 5. Well. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 9 should be there. Then 8. We have 8 in this column, last column, 8 in the column next, so in that column, the only two place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so in that row, only two place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only two place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so the first column, the only two place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. The 8 in the first row, the 8 in the second row, so the third row, the only three place level 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in the middle column, no 8 there, so the only place level 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. Okay. Right, and now, the 2 in this column, the 2 in the fifth column, so the column between the second column, only two place left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the row below, so last row, only two place left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so in the column between, only two place left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2. Okay. Right. And now. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only two places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. The 4 in this last column, 4 in that column, so the column between, the only place left, the 4 should be there, 4, okay. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers here. 5, need the 2 there, okay. Need a 4 here. I cannot continue with the 4 now. I need to wait. But we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have 1 and a 5 in this first column, so no 1 and 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. Now I can continue with the 4, 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left the 4, it should be there. The 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. The 4 in this third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 4. Okay. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. No 1 goes there. Then 9 in this row. 9 in the second row. So third row. Only 2 places left. And a 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column. 9 in that column. So the column between. Only 2 places left. And a 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1 to 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 3 and 9. 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 3 goes there. The 9 in the first column. 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Same for those 2 numbers in this big square. The same numbers, 6 and 7. 6 and 7. Okay. The 1 in this last row. 1 in the row above. So that row, only place left the 1 should be there. Then 1 and the 7. Okay. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 5 in that column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. The 1, 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. Nope, 5. We have a 5 here. The 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. 1 in this row, first row. 1 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, here 6 and a 7. We already have a 6 here in the middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and a 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 2, no. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 and a 3, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes in there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left. 7 should be here. On there we have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers here. The 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left. In this big square for number 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in the middle column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 5 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well. We solved it again. Told you, need to be faster than 14 or 30 minutes. Definitely 0 stars, not a 2 stars. Anyway, I like this one. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for this day, Boxing Day, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.